Welcome back to NPStation. If you've been following the channel, you know I'm always testing out the latest AI tools to see which ones actually deliver real value and which ones are just hype. Today, we're diving into an AI tool that has been making massive waves across high schools, universities, and self-study communities online. Turbo AI, which used to be known as TurboLearn. If you haven't heard of it yet, Turbo AI positions itself as the ultimate AI note-taker and study assistant. The premise is simple but ambitious. You feed it your raw study materials, whether that's live lecture recordings, PDFs, slideshows, YouTube videos, or messy handwritten notes. And Turbo AI automatically transcribes, organizes, and transforms all of it into clean notes, interactive flashcards, practice quizzes, and even full AI-generated podcasts. Now, there are dozens of study tools and PDF summarizers flooding the market right now. So the big question is Turbo AI actually worth adding to your workflow, or is it just another wrapper on top of ChatGPT? In this video, I'm going to break down everything Turbo AI has to offer, walk through its core features, test how it handles complex technical subjects, compare its free tier versus paid plans, and give you my honest verdict so you can decide if it's worth your time. Let me start by addressing the elephant in the room, the name change. If you searched for TurboLearn AI and got redirected to turbo.ai, don't worry. They recently rebranded from TurboLearn to Turbo AI to reflect the fact that the platform has evolved way beyond basic study notes into a full-fledged learning ecosystem. All your existing accounts and saved materials carry over seamlessly, but the core features have gotten a noticeable upgrade. So, how exactly does Turbo AI actually work in practice? The onboarding and interface are clean, intuitive, and surprisingly fast. The core workflow starts with the upload stage. You can drag and drop almost any media type into the platform. You can upload standard PDFs, PowerPoint slides, Word documents, audio recordings from lectures, or even paste a YouTube video link. And once you hit generate, Turbo AI gets to work. Instead of giving you a generic block of summary text like standard ChatGPT would, Turbo AI structures your content into distinct, digestible modules. First, it generates structured lecture notes complete with key terminology, subheadings, and key takeaways. Second, it instantly creates a set of study flashcards using active recall principles. Third, it generates multiple choice and fill-in-the-blank practice quizzes so you can test your attention immediately after reading. Now, one feature that surprised me during testing is the live audio recording tool. If you're sitting in a long lecture or attending an online webinar, you can open the Turbo AI mobile or web app, hit record, and let it listen to the speaker in real time. What makes this so impressive compared to standard dictation apps is its ability to filter out background noise, side conversations, and casual tangents. If a professor gets sidetracked talking about their weekend, or if students start chatting in the background, Turbo AI's model recognizes what is actually relevant course material, and then it discards the filler. When the lecture ends, you aren't stuck with a 40-minute wall of text. You get an organized, structured outline of the actual material covered. Another standout capability is how Turbo AI handles STEM subjects. A major limitation of many AI study apps is that they completely break down when you feed them mathematical equations, organic chemistry structures, physics diagrams, or code blocks. They either mangle the formatting or skip the formulas entirely. Turbo AI specifically optimizes its engine to detect LaTeX syntax, mathematical symbols, chemical equations, and code snippets. When you upload calculus slides or engineering notes, it preserves the exact formatting, steps, and visual logic, which makes it a genuine option for science and engineering students, pre-meds, and developers, rather than just humanities or literature majors. Now, let's talk about the interactive features, because taking notes is only half the battle. The real test is how well a tool helps you retain information. Turbo AI includes a feature called Learn It the Fun Way, where it takes your static lecture materials and turns them into dynamic learning activities. For visual and auditory learners, it offers AI-generated audio summaries and podcasts. You can literally take a dry 30-page chapter on history or macroeconomics, convert it into an AI audio discussion, and listen to it on your commute or while working out. It feels like listening to two co-hosts discuss the core concepts of your exam in plain English. Now, for active recall testing, the app continuously generates adaptive questions until you lock in full understanding of a concept. If you miss a question on a specific event or formula, the system remembers that weakness and prompts you with variation questions later in your review session. It also has an integrated AI chatbot built directly into your document space. If you're reading through your generated notes and hit a concept that still doesn't quite make sense to you, you don't have to leave the app to search Google. You can highlight the confusing paragraph right there, open the inline AI chat, and ask it to explain the concept using a simpler analogy, break down the math step by step, or generate 3 extra practice problems on the spot. If you like to study in groups, Turbo AI also includes real-time collaboration features. You can edit documents in a Google Docs style rich text editor, share custom study decks with classmates, and build shared study libraries. Plus, because everything syncs across web, tablet, and mobile apps, you can start reviewing notes on your laptop at home and swipe through flashcards on your phone right before entering the exam room. Let's break down the pricing structure. Turbo AI operates on a freemium model. The free tier gives you access to core features like lecture uploads, note generation, flashcard creation, and practice quizzes. For casual users or anyone wanting to test the waters, the free version provides plenty of functionality to see if the workflow fits your habits. However, if you plan to record hours of live lectures every week, process massive PDF textbooks, or want unlimited AI podcast generations and advanced AI model queries, you'll likely want to look at their Pro tier subscription. So, what's my final verdict on Turbo AI? If you are a student, researcher, or self-taught learner who struggles with staying focused during long lectures, gets overwhelmed by massive reading loads, or wastes hours manually creating flashcards, Turbo AI is easily one of the most polished and practical productivity tools available right now. It goes well beyond simple text summarization by building a full end-to-end study system around your specific source material. The live recording transcription accuracy, STEM formula preservation, and active recall test generation make it a legitimate productivity multiplier. Now that wraps up today's review. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to NPStation for more deep dives into cutting-edge AI tools, and drop a comment below letting me know what tool you want me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.